Hi, Dave from SuspendersStore here, and top of the morning to you. Well, at least it's morning here right now. But we wanted to talk about a very popular holiday for suspenders, which is St. Paddy's Day. So we have several Irish-themed suspenders which work great for this holiday. I'm wearing the most classic design here, these shamrock suspenders, striking white shamrock outlines on a green background. And then what's St. Paddy's Day without leprechauns? So we have this fun suspender here with some just really fun images of a leprechaun, pot of gold, the clover leaf, and a shillelagh. I had forgotten what a shillelagh was. It's an Irish walking stick. So here are some striking Celtic scroll pattern suspenders, a little bit more serious. It's a beautiful pattern. It reminds me of my daughter's Irish dancing days. And then if you just want to sport some of the green, we've got some great Kelly green suspenders, which is the perfect color for St. Patrick's Day. So get spiffy for St. Patrick's Day with suspenders from SuspendersStore.